Okay, trade recap for last week. Aussie 200. Okay, so Aussie 200, I trade on this Tuesday. So it's based on this 4-hour chart. Is my zone is two zone. Actually, this is the first buy zone and this is the second buy zone. Okay, I will break down into all those my thinking process. Uh, the first zone, I missed the opportunity. Okay, so fast down is really like this is a 4-hour rejection high. So 4-hour rejection high to the weekly rejection high level. So this is my actual uh, buy zone. So what happened is this market is really market Monday. Yeah, is already inside the zone and retrace. Then go down to 1 hour. So this is a 1 hour chart. From this move was retrace, but this retrace I can see a few gap, but really not really I confident on that retrace. So I monitoring until supposed to be I enter here is my according to my trading setup. This is supposed to be my entry here. So is my stop loss at least here normally. So it should be here. 1:1 is easily here. So this is according to my plan, but I did not put up because the market move, I feel like something is not the what I expected because the retrace every time the retrace also some kind of a big rejection. So this is not really good retrace. Then also market is when go up, no potential gap, and also market is keep rejected from this my buy zone. So this is first rejection, the second rejection. So that's why I skip this trade. But it's Tuesday early morning is already market completed this zone. So this opportunity I missed this trade. Okay, so I keep monitoring for Tuesday. So Tuesday is in my second zone. So this is always I say this is my low probability. This is my high probability zone. So that's why I keep monitoring. I planning to enter, but I want to see the retracement. So same thing. This is the one the 4-hour retrace. So 4 hour is retraced back to this is the 4-hour gap originally based on this move. So this is from here to here is the 4-hour big gap. So this is a market retrace back to the gap and the rejection. So I after this candle I saw it, so I supposed to be under here. Okay, so same thing. By right, my original is breaking above. So this is the original entry for my trade setup from here. Then easily is according to the 4 hour. I put it not the low, but at least here. So this is for my original 1:2. Okay, so this is for 1:1 trade setup. Supposed to be this like that. Right. So I bring down to okay. So this one is not this is not my trick. Okay, then this is 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart according to here I see this a few small candle is not retracing, so I don't put above this yet. But after this candle, so this 1 hour is really retraced because the selling gap is already created. So from here to here, this move is yes for me is really retrace. So after retrace, so I need to be order is here. So that's why just now I mark on the 4 hour. My entry should be like that. This is my supposed to be I enter this way. This is the one. So at the time I already put it my pending order here. So because of this candle, so this candle is really very aggressive. So in terms of the gap, right? So this is the potential buy gap from before this candle started. So this based on these two green candle, right? So my expecting must be next candle must be green and then trigger my order. So this is my expectation. So this is my potential buying gap. But after this, the next hour, 8 p.m. candle is really not according to my plan. They are retraced back. So is here the potential gap is gone because they override is did not form the gap. So what I did is I really see the market because compared to other market like S&P 500 also moving to high, Nasdaq also moving high. So for this Aussie, also I expecting to hit to this my all-time high zone. So what I did is I delete my order from here, then I move to here because this is my entry here because market is already from rejected. So it's no reason to come above. If really is market rejected, must be this red candle, next candle also red candle and red candle, and then continue must be going down. This is if really market is really seller is control. That's why I put it like my entries here because I'm the buying side. So if really market is seller is cannot be pushed down, so buyer will be confirmed come in and then step in. This level is really quite meaningful instead of original entry because break above this level means is market buying is really coming in. So that's why I set the pending order as this high and then stop loss is below this red candle. So that's why. So is after that is a morning I wake up, it's already this trade is already take profit already. So this is for Aussie trade for this week. So this week I took two trade S&P and Aussie. Both trade is winning. So okay, so we can continue. So it's consider my both zone is completed.